Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're on the Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 through 2020 with a 3.6 V6 engine, the same engine which of course can be found in the Chrysler Town Country. And we're going to be showing you how to do an air filter change. Let's do it. So to replace the air filter, obviously you're going to have to buy yourself a brand new air filter in advance. Always try and buy the best one that your budget will allow. So for the replacement of the air filter, all we need to do is simply unclip the clips to begin with. So we actually have 3 of these clips, and just lift up the little latch at the bottom. The whole thing will come off, and just lift that out of the way. We've got another one here, so do exactly the same with that there. And then you've got a third one right down in the corner, just down in there, so get that one released and out of the way as well. Now looking down the rear edge here, you've actually got 3 little tabs that kind of slot in. So what you need to do is actually lift the front of the airbox up and then start to pull this forward. You can see those tabs will start to release, and just keep pulling forward, give it a bit of a wobble, and they'll pop out like so. So this will allow you to simply lift the lid on the airbox, and that'll give us all the access we need to the old air filter. Next, you want to take a look in the empty airbox and see if you've got any debris, things like leaves and things of that nature, anything kind of big and chunky. This one's actually not too bad. If you have, what you want to do is grab the vacuum cleaner, the nozzle of your vacuum cleaner, and just shove that in there and vacuum out any of those leaves or bits of dirt that you have in there before you fit the new filter. To fit the new filter, you simply reverse the process. What you want to do is go around the edges and ensure that they're all seated correctly all the way around. So you see, when I first started that one, this one was sat up on top of this lip right here, so I want to make sure that that's actually sat down inside there, because you don't want anything to pinch above this lip when you put the lid back into place. And then you want to create a bit of an angle, get the tabs in at the rear, make sure that they're in. Again, just have another little look, make sure that you're happy that everything looks correct, and then just bring the front down into situ. Now we can look at replacing the latches. So you want to keep some force down, and you see it's got these little plastic lugs just here, so you want to make sure that it's latched onto that plastic lug, and then just push it down, and that will snap back into place. And just repeat that on your other 2. One here, and don't forget your one down at the rear corner there, like so. So that's it, it's as simple as that. That is your new air filter replaced and good to go.